verse, at least a whole chapter. If not, jump into it. Anyway, update from Garage Mods and Builds. Little change up to the channel. Switching for the next 6 to 12 months. Concentrating on yard work. Alright, I'm out here, way in the country. All these pallets, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 were full of retaining wall bricks, caps, other miscellaneous stuff, and guy posted on Facebook and said I need to get rid of it. Come get it. So I drove an hour, come get it. When I get home, I'm gonna show you guys what's going on, why we're switching gears. All right, so I'm home now. As I said, when I get home, I'll explain some things to y'all, why we're deviating a little bit. So you see these two, they're actually pond liners. I just call them ground covering. One under the trampoline, one over here. That's for an above ground pool. Now mind you, this was set into motion back in 2023. I had no clue that an above ground pool needed so much preparation. So that's why we went from dirt to sand to the cover. That's out of the way. Now, if you see those green boxes right there behind that pole, those are for planter boxes, and I'm gonna build a greenhouse around it. So boxes are made free out of pallet. There's been a lot of free movement here the past 3-4 months. Shed got to move over here a couple feet behind the trampoline, and you see this blue wood. These came from pallets that were used during Vietnam, I think. The transport stuff, they were from the Pensacola Pier. I took them, and these were 8-foot by 6-foot pallets. Took them, broke them down, pressure washed them, cleaned them, and stained them. So apart from 1, 2, 3, 4 store-bought posts, everything else was from the pallets. All right, next topic. Retaining wall blocks. I'm on my 4th trip. I just got those today, but these were also free. All right. Like I said, the name of this game is let me get it. If you post it on Facebook and say free, come get it, I'm on my way. If I can use it, I'm gonna come pick it up. The G is here. She runs, not perfectly. She needs a tune because I open up the intake. Speedometer still doesn't work, but all the other gauges do. I found a head unit in my garage, don't know where it came from. I installed it. It works with a CD. Yes, I don't know if you can see the CDs over there, but yeah. So I got some tunes. I just have to use my phone as the speedometer. Now to the garage. Boom. Banana trees, hedges. These things get up to like 8 feet tall. Pallet planter box. I already have dirt in some of it. Just gotta start planting seeds once spring comes around. But 240. Let's talk about the 240. My main issue with this is distributor. I need to get that figured out. And 2, fuel regulator setup. I'm leaking fuel from the line down below. Figure's just not tight enough. And once it runs, we can get this to a tuner, get it tuned, and I'll continue on. Thank you for supporting after all this time. We're still a long way from being monetized. I don't know when it's going to be. Y'all pray for me, man. Pray for me that 2025 is it. But yeah, that's what's been going on. And L is not a loss. It's always a lesson. Trust me, people. An L is always a lesson, not a loss. Got to keep the faith, keep your head up. But that's where we're at. Just let you guys know what's going on with the channel. I know it's been almost, what, 7, 8 months? It's been a long time, but 2025, I'm back. You guys are going to hear a lot of Bible verses from me. All right? I done made that change, and I ain't going back. So follow along. Let's get going again. And you know me, 90% a surprise on this channel. So appreciate y'all, and look forward to the next video.